Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's session, How to Future-Proof Your Business in 3 Days. I'm Keith Divino, Smartbooks Account Manager, and I'm with Ms. Abigail Ria, Smartbook Solutions Architect. Before we start, I'd like to remind everyone to freely raise their question while the session is ongoing, or you may write your question in the link provided at the message box. Since the presidential announcement on community and enhanced community quarantine, we have been conducting this series of talks to advocate cloud digital technologies in businesses. As you can see, the coronavirus outbreak has created huge impact in all countries, including the business sector. Limited mobility and additional lockdown restrictions has led many companies to change business setup like work from home arrangements, operates with skeletal or lean manpower, or worse, suffer temporary closure. While a few well established businesses are able to sustain their business with these sudden changes, micro and small businesses have apparently taken a big blow. Many small businesses are experiencing minimal demands of their product and services with the lockdown, while some are actually gaining more traction in the community. Whether the business is experiencing surges or breaks in demand during COVID-19 outbreak, entrepreneurs need to ensure their business can maintain as much operational continuity as possible. We would like to encourage you to take this opportunity to look into digital technologies to help you during this period. There's a lot of options for digital technologies are out there that are available for entrepreneurs to help future-proof your business. But in these pressing times, we need a system that understands the critical requirement and available to use as fast as possible. The idea of this session is to actually help business cope up with the sudden change in the business settings, like what is happening now. There may be a lot of uncertainties to come, hopefully positive, but there will be some negatives too. But what's important for us entrepreneurs is to make sure that our business is future proof moving forward. Using digital cloud technology helps small businesses ease their struggle in running on a different business model. So, here are some critical points to consider when you look at digital technology for your business these days. First, robust and fully integrated features. Many business owners may not realize that their product or service relies on parts or components from suppliers in different regions. So, understanding your supply chain is a critical first step during quarantine. And for you to understand your supply chain, you have to have system that can give you the right information. If your business relies on a supplier who has downsized or temporarily closed down their business, now is the time to seek alternative suppliers. A strong system can give you information and tells you to source out alternative supplier. You need to have a plan to deal with disruptions to the supply of your products and services. You may need to scale back production for some parts and stock. Same thing with sales. Companies need to rethink marketing strategy and how you can change customer behavior until the crisis passes. Again, this can be done with a fully integrated system. Second, reliable data and reports. Entrepreneurs need to know in advance what impact a slowdown will have on cash flow. For example, review and adjust your cash flow forecast to determine what effects a reduction in sales will have on your ability to pay suppliers and repay debt. A reliable accounting software that can handle this for you. Accounting software will ensure that your financials are kept up to date so that you monitor profitability, stock levels, debtor, and creditor balances on a timely basis. As a prime example, Smartbooks Cloud Accounting has all the features you need and solutions for every stage of your business, including automated invoice reminders, customizable invoice templates, and all the reporting you need to accurately track cash flow. Third, adaptive. The recent community quarantine has forced us to limit mobility. We're forced to work from home. Hence, to be able to work effectively and efficiently, we have to figuratively and sometimes literally move our office to our home. Having an adapted technology, specifically a technology that is up in the cloud, is advantage. Cloud technology allows you to perform your business transaction at the comfort of your home. Say, a cloud accounting system like Smartbooks. You will be able to create sales or purchase transaction conveniently, as well as generate financial reports for your company reviews. Fourth, secured. Yes, being on cloud is what we need now. But businesses should also take that there are a lot of systems hosted on cloud that are prone to cyber attacks. Cloud accounting system having confidential data should be hosted on secured platform to protect clients. Amazon Web Services, for example, or commonly known as AWS, is the largest cloud provider with a tight cybersecurity feature and policies. Fifth, affordability. Businesses are already ramped up with challenges brought by the outbreak. It is expected to say that the digital cloud technology that we need right now offers the best possible value for our needs. Sixth, easy to deploy. Lastly, urgency matters. We are losing opportunities in every day that we don't have a system in place. When you have a system that can be set up in 3 days or less, and it addresses all requirements, like Smartbooks Cloud Accounting, you have to grab the opportunity and implement it. So, how to future proof your business? Now, I have mentioned Smartbooks Cloud Accounting a number of times already in this session. It's because Smartbooks Cloud Accounting fits really well in this criteria. Smartbooks Cloud Accounting is a digital cloud technology designed for the Philippine small businesses. Smartbooks is the perfect cloud accounting system in today's business. Design is based on the global accounting standards. It offers the best value solution to manage core functions of your business, from accounting and financials, purchases to inventory and sales. It is developed with deep dive user friendly features to help small businesses think and run like big companies. It is easy to use, quick to set up, and ready with BIR reports in that file format. More importantly, it provides flexibility, mobility, and security at the best possible value with Amazon Web Services hosting. But before we dwell on the functional features and technicalities of SmartBooks, allow me to share quick facts about SmartBooks. SmartBooks was developed by business consultants and ERP experts for micro businesses. Since its launch in 2016, SmartBooks has continually made software updates to fit to the accounting standards in the Philippine business regulation, particularly with BIR. SmartBooks strategically partnered with Fast Track Solutions, an IT consulting company known to be SAP's first and only platinum partner in the country. Through this partnership, we have extended our resources and capacity to replicate global and local best practices for micro and small businesses. Smartbooks can be maximized with the help of our 40 accounting partners in FastTrack community, who are part of our three levels of support. Currently, we are serving more than 140 business partners in various industries. We are seeking continuous growth over the next 5 to 10 years as we aim to be the best value digital technology partner of MSMEs in the country. We have regional partners in NCR, Calabarzon, Central Visayas, Western Visayas, Central Mindanao, and Northern Mindanao. You can use or access SmartBooks Cloud Accounting anytime, anywhere. Use your mobile phone to review reports or laptop to navigate and transact. Just type in your username and password and you're ready to go. This is SmartBooks user interface. It's an entry level of ERP, meaning all the modules are integrated with each other, with complete features and functionalities perfect for MSMEs. And now, just to give you a quick comparison to other cloud accounting systems, SmartBooks has completed the important features and functionalities in an accounting system for a Philippine setting. We have modules such as financials with balance sheet, profit and loss and cash flow reports, approval features, readily available taxes with that file format, purchases module with accounts payable and expense report. For sales, we have accounts receivable report, inventory with tracking. Under treasury module, we have banking. Other modules are production, consignment, and fixed asset. Special features are multi-companies, multi-currencies, that file and customization, plus add-on of budget module, multi-branch, and serial number. Smartbooks can compute VAT automatically. It can compute withholding taxes. Plus, what we take pride of is we can generate BIR reports such as 2550M, 2550Q, 2307, 0619E, 0619F, 1601EQ, 1601FQ, summary list of sales, summary list of purchases, summary alpha list of withholding tax, and BIR map. Some sample of our reports are balance sheet. We also have profit and loss. And lastly, we have trial balance. I mentioned earlier that businesses are already ramped up with challenges brought by the outbreak. It is, of course, expected for entrepreneurs to find a solution that is affordable, yet not compromising the quality of service. Smartbooks Cloud Accounting monthly subscription starts at $1,499 per user per month for companies offering non-inventorable products or services like accounting firms, professionals, computer shop, printing, and more. It already includes your core module like financials, treasury, sales, and purchasing. Smartbooks Premium, on the other hand, are for companies that have inventory items like trading, restaurant, distributors, agriculture, clinics, and hotels. $1,999 per user per month for the core module including inventory and fixed assets. This is standard for one company, one database, one branch setup, standard reports, and BIR forms in that file format. For companies who need additional modules, multi-branch setup, integration to third-party software, or any customization detailed scoping on a separate engagement is recommended. We'd like to highlight that these subscription rates already include your AWS hosting that has high security features, automatic backup, and regular updates. Discounts and promos are also available. You may follow Smartbooks Cloud Accounting page on Facebook or FasterCore on Facebook and LinkedIn for more updates and promos. To set up the system, we recommend engaging with an accountant or our accounting partners to maximize the functionalities and for added support. Implementation fees shall be discussed separately. Next part is Smartbooks demo. Our accountant, Ms. Abigail, will present the next slides.